Have you noticed how laptops just keep getting better and better? These days we all want more than just a regular old laptop. We want something that can do it all. We want a device that fits our lives no matter what we're doing. That's where 2-in-1 laptops come in. They give you the best of both worlds, like having a laptop and a tablet all in one handy device. And honestly, there are so many choices out there right now. But if you ask me, one really stands out, the HP Envy x360 2025. More people than ever are looking for these 2-in-1 laptops. We all want something that can keep up with our busy lives, right? Whether you're working, studying, or just relaxing, a 2-in-1 laptop gives you the flexibility and convenience that regular laptops just can't match. Meet the HP Envy x360 2025, a super stylish 2-in-1 laptop made for today's world. It's got both the looks and the brains. Just look at that sleek design. It really stands out, doesn't it? But hey, it's not just about looking good. This laptop really delivers when it comes to performance. And with a starting price of 1,20,000 rupees, you're getting a premium experience without emptying your wallet. There's more to this laptop than just its good looks. It's built to handle whatever you throw at it. From heavy tasks to creative projects, it's got you covered. Whether you're a pro, a student, or just need a solid, everyday laptop, the Envy x360 is a great pick. It really fits into anyone's lifestyle. Honestly, HP has knocked it out of the park with this one. Let's take a peek under the hood of the HP Envy x360 2025. Right at its core, you'll find the impressive Intel Core Ultra 7 processor. This chip keeps everything running super smooth so you can juggle all your apps without any slowdowns. Even if you're running some pretty demanding programs, the Envy x360 handles it like a champ. And with 16 gigabytes of RAM, you've got plenty of muscle for whatever you need to do. Whether you're multitasking like crazy or working on creative projects, this laptop doesn't even flinch. Storage? You're covered with a roomy 1 terabyte SSD. That means lightning-fast startups, apps that open in a snap, and tons of space for all your stuff. The Envy x360 is all about speed and efficiency, so you get a super smooth, hassle-free experience every time you use it. HP really went all out to make sure this laptop delivers top-notch performance. Alright, let's talk about one of my favorite things on the HP Envy x360 2025, the gorgeous 14-inch 2K touchscreen display. Seriously, this isn't just your average laptop screen, it's super bright, colors just pop, and everything looks incredibly sharp. Whether you're catching up on movies, editing your favorite photos, or just browsing the web, this display pulls you right in. The colors are so lively, and the text is crystal clear. Honestly, the visuals are just a treat for your eyes, and the touchscreen, it's super responsive, navigating around Windows 11 feels so easy and natural. You can tap, swipe, and pinch to zoom. Everything just works smoothly. The touch features really make using this laptop a lot more fun. It just feels more intuitive and easy to use. Honestly, the display is hands down one of the best things about the Envy x360. Section 5, let's talk about one of my favorite features, the 360-degree hinge. The HP Envy x360 2025 really lives up to its 2-in-1 name with this super sturdy hinge that spins all the way around. That means you can flip between different modes in just a second, no hassle at all. Want to use it like a regular laptop? No problem. Need to jot down notes or sketch something? Just flip it into tablet mode, or maybe you want to show off a presentation, tent mode's got you covered. However you like to work, the Envy x360 is ready to adapt. The hinge itself? It's super smooth and feels really solid. No matter which mode you're in, the screen stays put. No wobbling here. That kind of flexibility is honestly one of the best things about this laptop. It's perfect for anyone who's always on the move or working in different places. Switching modes is super easy, so you can always find what works best for you. And honestly, the 360-degree hinge isn't just for show. It's proof that HP really thought about how people use their laptops every day. Alright, let's talk about what really makes the Envy x360 stand out. The HP Envy x360 2025 has a lot going for it, so let's break down the highlights. First up, performance. With the Intel Core Ultra 7 processor and 16 gigs of RAM, This laptop is seriously fast. Whether you're juggling a bunch of apps or running something heavy-duty, it just keeps up. No lag, no fuss. Then there's the two-in-one design. Thanks to the 360-degree hinge, you can flip it into laptop, tablet, tent, or stand mode, whatever fits your mood or task. It's super handy for work, presentations, or just chilling with a movie. The display is another big win. The 14-inch 2K touchscreen is bright, colorful, and super responsive. If you're into creative work or just want your shows to look amazing, you'll love it. Battery life? You're looking at up to 10 hours on a single charge. That's plenty to get you through a busy day without scrambling for a charger. And let's not forget the build quality. The x360 feels premium thanks to its sleek metal chassis. It looks great and can handle everyday bumps and knocks. All these features make the x360 a real standout in the world of two-in-one laptops. It's got the power, the flexibility, and the style to fit just about anyone's needs. Honestly, it checks all the right boxes, from strong performance to a flexible design. It's ready for whatever you throw at it. So whether you're a student, a pro, or just someone who loves cool tech, the HP Envy x360 is built to impress. Alright, let's talk about a few things that could make the HP Envy x360 even better. Now don't get me wrong, the HP Envy x360 2025 is a fantastic laptop, but like anything, there's always room for a little improvement. First up, those occasional software hiccups. Some users have noticed the touchscreen drivers can act up every now and then. It's not a deal breaker, but it can be a bit annoying, especially if you're in the middle of something important. The good news? HP can usually fix these things with software updates. So, as long as you keep your laptop updated, you should be good to go. Next, let's talk about the keyboard backlight. The backlight is nice, but you don't get a ton of options to customize it. If you love tweaking your setup, you might wish for a few more choices here. It'd be awesome if HP added more ways to personalize the keyboard lighting, especially for those late-night work sessions or movie marathons. And of course, there's the price. Starting at 1,20,000 rupees, the Envy x360 isn't exactly cheap. That might make some folks think twice. If HP could bring the price down a bit, I bet even more people would jump on board and give this awesome two-in-one a try. Still, these are pretty minor things in the grand scheme. The HP Envy x360 is super versatile and performs really well, so it's easy to see why it's so popular. And who knows? If HP listens to feedback and keeps making improvements, their next version could be even better. All in all, the good stuff definitely outweighs the little annoyances. The HP Envy x360 is still a great pick for most people. Welcome to Section 8. Let's talk about how versatile the HP Envy x360 really is in everyday life. Picture this, you're out and about, maybe at your favorite coffee shop or just hanging out at home, and the Envy x360 is right there with you, ready for anything you need. Let's start with students. Imagine you're in class, just flip the Envy into tablet mode and you can quickly jot down notes or sketch out ideas during a lecture. Super handy, right? Then, when it's time to get serious about assignments or group projects, switch back to laptop mode. Whether you're in the library or a busy cafe, you're all set to get things done. And when you need a break, tent mode is perfect for kicking back and watching your favorite shows or movies. Total movie night vibes. Now for the creative folks out there, if you're a designer, you'll love using the Stylus to sketch out ideas whenever inspiration hits. Editing photos is a breeze with the sharp 2K touchscreen, so you can make sure every detail looks just right. And when it's time to show off your work, just flip to tablet mode for a sleek, professional presentation your clients will love. For business travelers, the Envy x360 is a game changer. It's perfect for giving presentations and meetings, thanks to its bright, clear display. Need to jot down some quick notes during a meeting? The Stylus has you covered. Just write down your ideas on the fly. And if you're working on a flight, the long battery life means you can keep up with emails and documents even at 30,000 feet. All these different scenarios really show just how flexible the Envy x360 is. It's way more than just a laptop. It's a tool that fits right into your life. Whether you're switching between work, study, or play, this laptop keeps up with you every step of the way. So, whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves to stay connected, the Envy X360 14 is built to match your busy, ever-changing lifestyle. Wherever life takes you, the Envy X360 14 is ready to go along for the ride and help you tackle whatever comes your way. Alright, let's wrap things up. This is section 9, our conclusion. And honestly, the HP Envy X360 14 really is a cut above. The 2025 Envy X360 14 shows just how much HP cares about making great-looking, innovative laptops. It really nails it where it counts. You get awesome performance, a super flexible 2-in-1 design, and a gorgeous display all in one package. If you're after that premium laptop feel, the Envy X360 14 totally delivers. Sure, there are a couple of small things that could be better, but honestly, the good stuff way outweighs the bad. So if you're looking for a 2-in-1 that's powerful, portable, and looks great, the HP Envy X360 14 2025 definitely deserves a spot on your shortlist. It's not just built to turn heads, it's made to help you get things done, no matter what your day looks like.